welcome back to the channel.
Today we will be doing
A nature walk. Yeah, so let's go to the park, Shanique. Shanique, please remember that you have my sun cream in your bag, okay?
the
Let's
sun
go.
is boiling hot over here.
Okay.
So let's try if we can find a little shade here. Let's try if we can find a little shade.
Yeah.
Oh, what
Shanique.
about over there?
Okay, let's go.
Let's do it. Ooh, we're almost at the shade.
What about here?
Yeah, right there's a good spot. Let's take off this handbag.
Okay,
Sun
this
was boiling hot. So look, I brought some.
that's my. Hey, Shanique, remember that is my sun cream. So
I
please.
brought some. You brought some supplies, and I have my little tin. I have my hat inside.
Okay.
So let's open this.
Thank you. Can you pass my
Hold on, it's not open yet.
Can you pass my sun cream, please?
Yeah, sure. Your sun cream.
Thank
here.
you.
And light of the sun is boiling hot. I will put on my hat that I brought.
Oh,
here.
the sun is so hot. I will just rub a little sun cream on my skin. Ooh, that's a lot.
Sparkles, you know that's a lot of lotion. It's pulled oh, my hat is dropped off. Ew, you know that's a lot of lotion you used a while ago.
No, that wasn't.
Remember, it's a nature walk, Shanique. It's
Yeah.
a nature walk. My hat is falling off every minute. What's wrong with me? Shanique,
Okay. That's enough sun cream for now.
Can I get some of your sun cream on my finger? Please.
No problem, Shanique. Oh my gosh. I will take off my shoes.
Me too, because my
Could
shoes.
you put them up in your bag, please?
My bag is over here. I'm doing
Okay.
something, so
I'm gonna
I
put
will
them in
take
your bag.
and rub myself with some cream. Just take off my hat, put it up here.
Okay. So I will be putting my shoes in Shanique's bag.
So rub some on my skin that the sun doesn't give me the sunburn. So let's take off my eye heels. So guys, let's rub off my.
Hey, Shanique.
So my eye heels are these color purple, and it matches my little puffy dress.
I'm
as you can
Shanique.
see.
Yeah, Sparkles. Could you don't forget to put my sun cream inside
Your
my
bag?
bag? Yeah.
Okay, so let's go for the nature walk.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, the grass and the stones feel good on my bare feet. Oh, this spot is nicer than the spot we were before. So let's see here, Shanique. Wow. We can talk about some sports in the meanwhile, Shanique. And Shanique, which sports do you like the best? Wow, Sparkles, I like swimming. Well, Shanique, I like gymnastics because I'm very good at gymnastics and it's nice. We can do some stretches and all of those stuffs. Okay. Oh, can I ask you questions, Sparkles? Yes, sure. Why not?
Do you like my dress?
Of course.
It's so poofy, right?
Do you like mine?
Yeah, and I did the hairstyle yesterday. I went to the hairdresser. I did a little few cuts in there, and they rubbed a little of hair oil in there. It smells a little bit. It smells a little bit yucky. So let's go continue our nature walk.
Do you like my strawberry dress?
Yeah. Remember, I look it for you.
Oh, let's go.
So let's start with our nature walk. Do you like these grasses over here?
Oh, yeah. Wow. Shanik,
What?
since your favorite sports is swimming, what kind of swimming do you like to do?
I like to do like front swimming in the
Oh.
pool. I don't really like to foot in the water because we don't know if the water is too shallow or deep, and if the water is not deep and we chuck over in there, we could have a broken arm, we could have a burst head. So
Oh,
I didn't
yeah.
like to chuck off in the water.
Okay, I can do in gymnastics. I can do a frontward
Oh,
split.
look over there. Look over there, Shanique. It's a big bushy pot with some lovely grasses. I want to go and see it over there.
Let's go.
The snake, Sparkles, do you know that this nature walk is fun? So
Yeah.
look in this little flower pot here.
Oh my gosh, this flower feels very nice.
Yeah,
And it also smells minty.
yeah, it's not like lavender.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
let's
guys.
sit in there and relax a little.
Wow.
Yeah. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to always like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Notification bell.
So, bye.